So they said, "No." They answered. So Jesus told them, huh? He said, "Throw your net on the other side of the boat, and you will catch some." What happened next was amazing. What do you think happened next? They caught a lot of fish. The disciples who had been fishing all night without catching anything, they threw the net over to the other side, and within minutes, the net was overflowing with fish. Oh, there, so much fish. Then one of the disciples realized who they were talking to. Who was that they were talking to? It was the Lord. And as soon as Peter heard this, he jumped out of the boat to go to Jesus. The other disciples stayed on the boat and worked hard to tow all the fish to shore. When they met up with Jesus, there was a fire started with some bread laying close by. And Jesus said to them, "Bring some of the fish you have caught, and we'll have breakfast together." Peter helped the rest of the disciples get the fish out of the boat. There were so many fish, and they were all so big that they all needed to lift together to get the fish out of the boat because it was so heavy. Then they all sat together in front of the warm fire, and Jesus took the bread and the fish and gave it to them. This was the third time Jesus had met the disciples since he rose from the dead. That was morning already, that's why they have breakfast. Then after breakfast, Jesus asked Peter some important question. He asked him, "Peter, do you love me more than your parents and all your friends?" What did Peter say?